Does your grandma struggle with remembering to take her medication?
Do you struggle with taking your medication?
Do you struggle with remembering to give your pets medication?
Well, if any of these situations apply to you, we'd like to introduce you
The Medi-Go-Round! Hi, I'm Christian Munconduit, an electrical engineer, and I originally came up with the idea of the beautiful Medi-Go-Round.
Hi, I'm Paige Scott, and I'm a mechanical engineer, and I came up with 3D prints of the Medi-Go-Round.
I'm Matthew Cooling, an electrical engineer, and I combined his idea with her designs to create a functioning machine.
Here's how it works!
So, the system runs off of an internal clock, but there's also these buttons right here. Each one corresponds to a day of the week, starting with Sunday and ending at Saturday. Say you want to take Tuesday's pills. You will push the Tuesday button, and it causes the machine to spin, and the pills for Tuesday come out.
Order your Medi-Go-Round today!
Order your Medi-Go-Round at www.medigoround.net. This is an FDA-approved product that needs to be out of the reaches of children's hands. Any and all copyright of this product will lead to federal prosecution. We have all rights to this product and will sue. The side effect of this product is actually taking your meds.